When it comes to innovation, engineers often look to the Wright brothers and their engineering reasoning prowess as a prime example. Their methodical approach, coupled with their relentless pursuit of solutions, has become legendary. Many wonder, can we truly learn to think the way they did? Perhaps therein lies the key to unlocking new realms of engineering innovation. By studying their mindset, strategies, and problem-solving techniques, we may uncover valuable insights that inspire us to push the boundaries of what's possible in engineering and beyond.
Hello, the wonderful people of the 21st century. I am Wilbur Wright.
And I am Orville Wright.
Our fans at Silicon Valley have brought us back from the pages of history to help you emerge into engineering innovation.
Trust us, there is nothing quite like engineering innovation. The joy and bliss you experience when you engage in solving a problem and creating something new is unparalleled.
Prioritizing engineering reasoning and critical thinking, our innovative mindset, is crucial for executives and technical managers to drive company-wide innovation.
These skills allow you to anticipate trends, solve complex problems, and foster a culture of creative problem solving.
By embedding these principles at the core of your company's ethos, you not only achieve groundbreaking advancements, but also secure a competitive market position.
Together, we will dive deep into the marvels of AI and the extreme abundance it can create.
You need guidance to think differently, and that's why we're here.
Throughout your journey, you'll learn about core concepts such as AI, deep learning, generative AI, AI product development, deploying your product on the cloud, and much more.
We'll take you through the deep dive into cloud computing, DevSecOps, MLOps, data analytics, data science, data lake, vector database, and the complete digital transformation of a company.
Not to mention learning about smart cities and other exciting topics.
In every step of your learning journey, you'll discover the various aspects of innovative thinking, and AI tools will always be there to accompany you on this exciting journey.
And coming up next, the Intelligent Cloud Lab.
Stay tuned for further announcements as we embark on this journey together into the realms of engineering innovation and AI.